Finally, for Meena Rasi and Meena Lagna, it's 6th house and 12th house transit. The 6th house, enemies can teach you beautiful lessons. When there is an enemy, it is meant that you're meant to grow. They will make you keep your life very, very focused. No distraction, no diversion. And Rahu Ketu will do you exactly that. They will take away the distractions by keeping the enemy and a negative event in front of you, and Ketu will make you more focused. Because if you move this way and that way, the enemy will destroy you. And you also have to be careful that you don't get into an enemy. This is also the phase where there is one saying in Tamil that if you see a negative person, you cannot argue or change them. You have to withdraw. That is what the Rahu Ketu will teach, even though they may be your family member. But if you have felt that they are the psychic parasites, they are draining your energy, draining your life, it can be even your mother, it is better you move away from them so that the negativity doesn't trigger. You don't become more negative. With some people, there will be always, they will bring the worst out of us. That can happen with Ketu in the 6th house transit. And excessive expenditure, not a positive expenditure. Negative expenditure like medical expenses or court case expenses or paying huge amount of debts and debts increasing, all that can happen. So if you want to use this Rahu Ketu transit very effectively, take the negative event, what is happening, see what is the lesson you have to learn, and you have to just change yourself. It's very difficult. God will fry you, He will char you so that you become the gold. So as the gold is getting purified, it will be burnt and burnt and burnt. Rahu Ketu transit will do the same thing. Whatever negative situation Rahu Ketu throws in, you see what you have to change, what is getting burnt inside you, what is getting filtered inside you, what is getting cleared inside you. Then the entire Rahu Ketu transit will be very, very useful. Otherwise, this Rahu Ketu transit will be very challenging, or it will just move on for some Rasis or Lagna. So for 12 Rasis and Lagnas, I have told you about Rahu Ketu transit. It's a very general transit prediction. If you want a very specific prediction, please connect with me. I'll be glad to help you. This is Jayashree Astrologer. Thank you.